Here we go. It has been a while. You see what I see? There's Pack-a-Sack. You know what that means? I don't either, really. I think right down the road from Pack-a-Sack, hell, maybe down here somewhere, is the Hogg Shop. Listen real close. If you hear like a wee, 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 you know you're close. Coming soon. I'm coming right now. It's this whole coming soon thing. That's for amateurs. We found it. They could not hide it from Big E. Look at the fear in his eyes. They know they've been had.
Why are you stinking up the place with that in
I don't know if I can make it. Cue the sad music. I'll get some sympathy from you. Chris was being mean to me.
Was he?
He was picking on my bike.
Was he? Well, I assumed that you brought the bike up here to trade it in.
No love at all. No love at all up here. It's a better way to mobile. Spectrum Mobile. Wow. I'm not going to show you much in here because I know he's OCD and I know he's not done. Let's go outside. So it's on 49. Right down there, I can see it from here, is Pack-a-Sack. So if you go down that ways a little bit, you're going to get to your turnoff for Arcanum. If you go that way, you're going to Greenville. So if you're coming from Greenville, it'll be on the right hand side right before Pack-a-Sack. Man, you can't miss that. Can't miss that Hogg Shop banner. Can't miss this place. And man, on the inside, this is nice. There is going to be so much going on in there. I can already tell. You know what I'd do if this was mine? Just between you and me, I'd probably live here. Sweet. Now, it's called a bike shop. I rode a bike. There goes your hardcore bikers. What brand of motorcycles had? That a iMark? That one of them Chinese brands? What's
The girls have left the building.
Oh man. No, they haven't. They're right there.